Tell me one good reason why I should try continuing to fight it. How can I resist when a force like this pulls me under? It's just you and me.
Hey guys, what's up? Apologies for the sort of minimal setup. We're in the process of moving and all my stuff is at the house right now. But thank you so much for watching this short little edit from our trip to San Diego back in September. We were visiting our friends Brian and Nicole. You guys might remember them from the Africa series. If you haven't already, give this video a like. It really does help me out. Subscribe to the channel as well. I'm on a good little streak of putting up a video a week right now. So if you've enjoyed this video, share this video with a friend who you think might also enjoy it. Alright, that's it for me. I'll see you next time.